I think what is one thing that I found very similar was her attachment to her family. Um, Second, the fact that she was extremely principled. Um, I think that's something I struggle with every day because I feel like I'm a certain way and a lot of people around me are not. And I think it gives me courage to be like that because of this character. Because it's easy to kind of go into the gray area a lot of the times, especially in this industry and especially in the world we live in. But she never did. And I was like, if she didn't, why should I? So I think it's just being principled.
Sonam, we've seen you recently, right in front of you. Hi. We've seen you recently in, multi-crore, big budget films with A-listers. Films that have been very different from something like
One
this.
film.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but perhaps we've seen you in mostly some light-hearted comedies, perhaps, and this film seems like a landmark shift from that. So after this film, will we be seeing you gravitate towards roles such as these?
I think I need a little bit of a break. Honestly, I think after Ranjana, I said the same thing. I said I need to take some time out and do lighter films. And this was a journey. And after this, I'm not somebody who likes to churn things out one after the other. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do very little work. So I think my agency definitely noticed. That's why I was laughing on the side. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I don't know how I'm going to top this experience. So,
Let me just assure you that I don't think there'll be any dub smashes Sonam will be doing at the end of this movie. That's for sure.
Sonam, so without overstating it, would you say this has been the most important film in your career so far?
working with Ram has been one of the most amazing experience, the most experience. I think I can say that. That I can totally say. I think
That's
is
sweet of you. Thank you so much for this.
शबाना जी स्लाइटली टुवर्ड्स योर राइट मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि नीरजा जो एक कैरेक्टर है बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग और हमने देखा बहुत ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर है वी हैव नो वर्ड्स फॉर इट बट प्लेइंग अ मदर ऑफ नीरजा कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए और क्या इस कैरेक्टर की तैयारी के लिए आप सच में नीरजा जी की माँ से मिले थे क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपनी प्रिपरेशंस के बारे में
मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ कि मेरी मुलाकात रमा भानोट जी से हुई जब फिल्म का कोई जिक्र नहीं था और पता नहीं क्या हुआ था लेकिन मुझे इनवाइट किया गया था फैमिली ने कि मैं नीरजा भानोट अवार्ड पेश करूं चंडीगढ़ में और रमा जी को जब मैंने देखा तो कोई कनेक्शन हमारे बीच उसी वक्त हो गया वो बहुत ही गैर मामूली खातून थी और जैसे कि आप छोटा सा क्लिप देते हैं उसमें आपको लगता है कि ये पूरी की पूरी दिल है पूरी तरह से दिल है उसका मुझे बड़ी शिद्दत से एहसास हुआ था तो जब ये रोल मुझे ऑफर हुआ तो मुझे जो बात ख़ास मैं एक सेंट्रल पॉइंट ढूंढती हूँ किसी भी कैरेक्टर का जब करती हूँ और मुझे उसका सेंट्रल पॉइंट लगा था कि ये बहुत खरी औरत है ये जो हैं जैसी दिखती हैं ठीक वैसी ही हैं ये मुझे रमा जी से मिला था और मैंने कोशिश की है कि ये जो खरापन है रमा भानोट का पूरी तरह से वो पर्दे पर आ सके
हाय सोनम या
Hi.
सोनम कह सकते हैं कि ये साल आपके लिए काफी अच्छा रहा क्योंकि पहले धीरे धीरे से फिर प्रेम रतन धन पाए और अब निर्जा लेकर आ रही है और अब खबर है कि आशिकी 3 में आप ऋतिक रोशन के साथ दिखाई देने वाली है तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे
मैंने कुछ साइन नहीं किया अब तक मैं सिर्फ अपनी बहन की फिल्म कर रही हूँ अभी रिया ने एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही है अब तक मैंने सिर्फ वो साइन किया है आई एम इन टॉक्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बट मैं बहुत ही संकी हूँ आप सब जानते हैं मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ नेक्स्ट
Hi everyone. Rohit here from Deccan Chronicle, behind the cameras.
Hi Rohit.
Hi. My question is for Ram. Ram, initially you just said in the beginning of the press conference that Shekhar is doing a cameo in the film. How did you convince him, being a music composer, and how difficult was it for you all to just?
He said, I'm not going to do any of my ads with you anymore.
Exactly, no. But actually, Atul spoke to Shekhar when we first thought about the idea. We were it is a special appearance. It's a small role, and I think he has said no to many directors in the past because other people have asked him, and I think that he just couldn't say no to me.
He said, no
But
more
actually-
ads, no more ads.
No, but actually, Atul is also the person to thank for this because he went there and he actually met Shekhar. So the best person to ask is actually Atul.
He's so cute now, Shekhar. You don't even think
I
of
thought you
him
were
that
telling
way.
me for a second. I was like, I'm happy for Look, convincing Shekhar was a lot easier after I convinced everybody to my right. Okay, so after convincing this whole lot, Shekhar was a cakewalk. And he basically said, listen, if Ram and you are asking me, then, if you want me to be the tree in the school play, I'll say yes. So, I think he's going to be the music guy who does a film
Cameos?
once in a while.
Shabana ji, here. Shabana ji, Lipika here. How was it being directed by Ram? Some of his positive traits and some of his negative
अब
traits.
आपने मुझे ऐसी दुविधा में डाल दिया कि तारीफ करने के अलावा मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ. बाहर मिलिए फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी असलियत. लेकिन फैक्ट ये है कि राम और हम, जावेद और मैं, एक दूसरे को बहुत कई सालों से जानते हैं और हम बहुत इनकी जान के पीछे पड़े रहते थे कि आप कोई फिल्म डायरेक्ट करिए, और ये करने वाले थे, नहीं करने वाले थे. इनका नाम हमने डॉक्टर नो रख दिया था क्योंकि जी कर रहा हूँ, नहीं कर रहा हूँ ऐसे. तो जब राम से मेरी मुलाकात हुई तो वर्कशॉप्स में हम एक दूसरे के बारे में जानने लगे, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि राम की जो सबसे बड़ी खासियत है वो ये है कि वो अपने एक्टर्स को बहुत चाहते हैं और बहुत कोशिश करते हैं कि ऐसा माहौल बनाए कि अगर कोई भी ब्लॉक है एक्टर का, वो ब्लॉक हटाने के लिए वो पूरी कोशिश करते हैं और बिल्कुल भी आपको इस बात का एहसास नहीं दिलाते कि वक्त खत्म होता जा रहा है या इट्स important to do the shot now. He makes you absolutely comfortable. और जैसे कि राम ने कहा, क्योंकि इनकी पसंद और मेरी पसंद खास तौर से जिस तरह की फिल्में हम पसंद करते हैं वो एक तरह की हैं, तो ये सेंसिबिलिटीज कनेक्ट करने में मुश्किल नहीं हुई. बट अल्टीमेटली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फिल्म इज अ वेरी वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव मीडियम. उसका जो बेसिस है हैज टू बी द स्टोरी. एज द डॉटर of a writer and the wife of a writer and the daughter-in-law of a writer, I do think the story is everything. And that's why we really have to give credit to Simon and to Sanyukta, whose dialogue is absolutely outstanding. I think in being able to do the film, what has been a matter of pride for all of us is that we consider ourselves privileged and blessed to have been part of a life in which Neerja Bhanot lived, and she inspired. Thank you.
And what about Sonam?
You know, Sonam has been my bacha for many
Yeah, we
years.
know, we know,
हाँ.
yeah.
So इतनी छोटी सी थी तब से.
She made me become an actress, by the way.
अनिल कपूर भी इसको मेरे पास भेजा था कि ये लड़की जो है एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है, शबाना प्लीज इसको समझा दो, ऐसा नहीं करे. तो मैंने बहुत सीरियसली कहा, मैं उसको बिल्कुल बोली. शी वाज वेरी स्कॉलरली. तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं उसको बोलूंगी कि देखो तुम जाओ और कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ो, एंड यू आर अ वेरी
School of
लंदन
Economics.
स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ो. और जब वो आई एंड शी सेड, Shabana aunty, I want to be an actress. I said, be an actress. I will be with you all the way. And Anil said, "Eat you both." मैंने तो बिल्कुल अलग चीजों के लिए. इनफैक्ट जब ये इन्होंने जब सुनीता मेरे पास आई थी और कह रही थी कि मुझे जो है मैं चाहती हूँ कि सोनम डांस करे, तो उनकी कथक टीचर को भी मैंने ही इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. तो मेरे लिए वो मेरी बेटी ही है, कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है.
And on a lighter note, Sonam, a while ago, Ram said you were there with all soul in the character. What about your heart? Where was it?
Where was my heart? My heart is always in. I think मेरी problem ये है कि मैं सिर्फ दिल से काम करती हूँ और दिल से बोलती हूँ. दिमाग का तो मैं यूज ही नहीं करती हूँ. और अभी कभी कभार अभी करना पड़ता है पर आजकल. पर आई थिंक मैं जो भी करती हूँ, काम, बातें, लोगों से, मेरी जो रिलेशनशिप्स हैं वो सब मैं दिल से ही करती हूँ. आई डोंट नो ये मेरी कमी है या मेरी पॉजिटिव चीज़ है, मुझे पता नहीं, पर मेरा जो दिल है मेरे हर काम में रहता है.
Sonam, towards your left here.
Hi.
Hi. Sonam, I read somewhere on the internet that Neerja was married and she walked out of her marriage because there were some dowry issues. Is it true? If yes, would that issue be tackled in the film?
I think you should just watch the film, no? Better, sir?
I think there's some things that we'll let you experience.
Also, there is a Pakistan angle to it. You know, the flight was hijacked in Karachi. Not only Pakistan gets very touchy whenever, you know, their
But
country...
it was Libyan terrorists.
Correct. So
And
do you see any trouble in getting this film
No,
released?
but you must realize the first clip that you see is that this was one of those rare occasions when Neerja Bhanot was given an award by USA, Pakistan, and India. So she really is quite extraordinary. There's no question of Pakistan taking it badly, because in fact they honored her and they honored her memory.
It's a very big award in Pakistan that she got, and it was also for human kindness. So the Pakistani government itself has actually honored her. So this is a film that speaks about how both countries, and including USA, have actually honored one girl.
she did something for everybody.
I'd
So,
like to add, you know, it was Pakistan that gave her the award much before India gave it. So I don't think Pakistan would have any problem with this.
I really think you should experience Neerja for the honesty with which she has been presented. I'd like to thank the family for giving us this opportunity and the trust to let us make a film on her life. And in watching Neerja, I am sure that each one of us will be able to pull out that one special being in us where in the face of fear, you overcome it and you do something not because you want to be brave, but because it's the right thing to do. And therein you find courage. Thank you.
Yes, that's it.
Hi, Sonam.
Sonam,